Good morning, guys. Today we are going to my really close friend, best friend in the entire world slash cousin, kind of, but not really, but everyone thinks we're cousins. Graduation today, and I'm so excited. So sorry, I went to sleep kind of late last night. It's pretty early actually. It's at like 10 or something, so we're gonna have to be there pretty early. It is currently 7:46 and I woke up at 7, which is kind of insane because I never wake up that early. I'm gonna go get ready. I just posted a video. Hold on. Boom. You guys should check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys later. Good morning! Really? She's like, what's going on? I'm ready. We got early. Wait. Oh, yeah, we got early. I can't talk, Chloe. Who can say where the road? We got ready way too early, but it's fine. It's better than being late. I'm gonna go pack my purse. I'm gonna add some extra makeup, so I'm gonna put some of my Bomb.com mascara. I think I need eyeliner, boy brow eyeliner, and facial spray maybe? I'll just put that in just in case. In that Glossier bag. No, I don't want to take it out since it was hard to put in. Well, I need to get my Cheez-Its then. I need to get my Cheez-Its. You guys have never tried these before. They're the best. Actually, so good. Full look. This is my dress. So this is my makeup look and my hair. I just put it in a bun during my whole makeup routine, and then it kind of got a little wavy. Okay. Dress from Reformation, Ray-Bans, and Nikes. Oh, Givenchy purse. Oh, oops. About to get some flowers. Real talk. Chloe turns down the music. I didn't turn it down. Oh, I thought you were just being considerate. Okay, Chloe, let's see. Car talk number 1. What do you want to talk? I just said number 1. Number 1, what do you want to talk about? Talk about how the Capitals just won the Stanley Cup. No, we're not talking about that. This is over. The flowers. Oh, how beautiful. There's literally no parking. We parked like a mile away from the thing, so we're currently walking right now. Like, we're gonna cross the street and I'm scared. So, very stressed out right now. It's fine. Aww, Carolyn. Graduation over. Now we're headed to the post-celebration lunch, I think. It was like 1,000 degrees. My thighs, I was sitting in a pool of my own sweat. Legit, like, I'm not even saying that as an exaggeration. Like, the seat was actually wet. Same. I mean, it was really exciting, but also very sad because I'm gonna miss Carolyn next year. But I'm very proud of you if you're watching this, Carolyn. So, and congratulations. If you can't hear me that well, it's because the air conditioning is literally on the max setting in the car because I'm literally melting.
I do that all the time.
What do you say? What do you say?
No, I can't say it.
We ran into, and Bryce is in the corner. Okay, bye. Wait.
Can be stick.
That's wrong.
When you're done. Wait. Ah, my grandma's falling.
You know what this reminds me of?
I didn't go. Was it an all school assembly? No.
Just untied my dress and I literally feel like I can breathe again. It's like wearing a corset. Chloe's a real one and brought me some comfortable clothing. I'll be on that couch. Wait, I just said I was gonna be on that couch. You're the nosiest dog I know. Where are you going? So you're probably wondering, what did I receive in the mail? Well, let me open it. Alfie, this isn't for you. Yes! I got the Canon 50mm 1.8 lens because it's very good for taking portrait photos since the aperture is really low as well. A little unboxing for you guys. I'm so excited. It's like camera inception, like so. I'm so excited to use this. Look at that focus, guys. I'm gonna test this out throughout the week and I'll let you guys know how I like it. If any of you guys have this lens, let me know in the comments if you like it or not. I heard really good reviews about it, so, and the dogs are going crazy. Might not be the most fashionable shoes, but they are comfortable. I want Birkenstocks to sponsor me. These shoes become magical when they start molding onto your feet. So we're going to dinner. It's pretty casual, hence why I'm wearing my Birks, my jean shorts, and my Coachella sweatshirt. My mom is just pointing at her shoes. She wants to brag about her new shoes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you? You know, my makeup is looking really rough because I didn't redo it or do anything after going to Carolyn's graduation, where I literally sweat 50 pounds off my face. So that's why it's looking a little, you know. Also, I didn't take a nap because I just kind of like laid in my bed. Laid? Is it lied or laid? You lay an object down and you lie down, I think. I was in my bed for like an hour, but I didn't really sleep, like kind of staring at the ceiling. So that's what happened, but I feel kind of refreshed though. That's all that matters. We're having Japanese food with my mom and my dad. Chloe is not going to be attending because we don't like her. I've never been in this part of downtown. Where is it? Help us find it. No idea. Ooh, Starbucks. Wait, what's it called? Hatch. So we should go downstairs because this whole first floor is the Macy's basically. It's actually really cool though. It kind of reminds me of like a low-key Century City Mall. Oh, we're lost. We're confused. Oh, ask the person. We asked the person for help and literally it was right in front of us. I was like taking a video of it basically. Thank you, kind sir, who helped us though. They let me take this really cool sticker and pin. I don't really know what it means, but it's cool. I'm actually in love with these cups. They're so cool and they feel really nice. Menu. We just finished dinner. We had really good food. It was amazing. Had very good pescatarian options and we had a very good conversation about tattoos and just life in general. You know, just a daily conversation with the Kim family. Minus Chloe. Successful Friday night. Dad is currently taking pictures of my mom. Chair test. First we feel it. Some metal. Oh, ooh, there's a little. I would rate this chair an 8 out of 10 just because it's a little cold on my thighs. But overall, really good structure. I love the extra footrest. That gives it extra points. So maybe like a 9 actually, 9 out of 10 because of the footrest. Let's see. Oh, and this view. That's a really flattering angle. Amazing. I just got back from dinner and I washed my face. As you can see, I look really ugly right now. Skincare routine. Oh yeah, my skincare routine. I did it. A routine. I can't speak. Anyways, I did my skincare routine. So if you want to check that out, I'll put it in the description box. But I'm currently talking to my friend, my best friend ever. I guess she's cute. Yeah, so she's about to take her ACT right now. No, I'm just joking. It's like 10 o'clock. It's 8:57.
9 o'clock. I'm taking tomorrow. Wish me luck.
So, wish her all the good luck that you can muster. Good vibes, positive vibes. So, Lindsay, what do you want to say?
What do I want to say? Annette's YouTube channel is my favorite YouTube channel out there.
You're literally the best!
Her videos make me laugh so hard, so hard.
Aww. I don't know why it's so orange, but I'm gonna go to sleep, or not go to sleep. I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I'm not gonna do anything else. So, good night. Say good night.
Good night.